So the reason I went to India was to film a documentary, and we followed a charity who work with volunteers around the world. And for me, what was so fascinating is when we would go to all of these different projects, we visited so many, but they all had an essence about them that for me was so inspiring. And it was the fact that a lot of them were professors or lecturers, teachers, businessmen. We had even a cardiologist, but all of them left that life to help people. It was so inspiring that they would give all of their life. You know, a lot of them might have been struggling in their own life, to kind of keep afloat and keep the charity going. But all of them had so much light and so much energy and so much love to give. And we would go around India and, you see children and families living on a roundabout and putting up their clothing in the morning. And for me, I was just taken back because it doesn't happen in Europe. It doesn't, or at least in the UK. But to see that and then see so many people so happy and just wanting to give back, it just felt, wow, like there were no words for it. And for me, that's what I loved India so much, is because of those individuals who are trying to make a difference and are there for the love of humanity. The world is so rich and there's so much going on, like war and poverty and famine, and there's so many negativity in the world, but there's pockets of hope and there's pockets of positivity and there's pockets of light. And it's important for people to see that. And also, by traveling, you understand why people feel and think a certain way, and it makes you appreciate their culture. Then it makes you appreciate yourself and your own culture. But it also makes you more empathetic about why people are like they are in certain countries. Many times you might think, why is this person doing that? But they might not have a choice. And for me, traveling just opened my eyes to the world, and there's so much more that I want to do, and there's so much more that I need to explore and that I want to explore. But that hunger, if you're ever bored, just get a flight and go somewhere, anywhere. Like, it could be in your own city, like in your own country, it could be even in your own city. People deep down, they don't want to hate. Deep down, they want to love and they want to understand each other. It's just fear that keeps them away from that. But you'll find that when you travel, people are curious about even your own culture, and they'll start asking you questions, and you can forge links and friendships that can last a lifetime.